in airdropping the troops. And there you can see the first formation from the Rashtrapati Bhavan side, Rudra Formation, formation led by Group Captain Ajay Menon. Along with him is Wing Commander S.S. Mehta, flying the Dakota. The captains of the other two aircraft, Wing Commander Mukul Khare and Squadron Leader Rathore. The Mi-17 1B helicopter is an armed helicopter that can carry load, passengers, armament, other special equipment. Today representing the Mi-4 helicopters are Mi-17 1B helicopters, reminding all of us about the 1971 war, wherein these Dakotas played a major role that became a major turning point in the aviation. Approaching the saluting desk is the Russian formation consisting of one Chinook and two Mi-17 1B helicopters flying in big formation. The formation led by Group Captain Siddharth Rawat. The other members of the formation are Wing Commander Rohit Singh Thakur and Wing Commander Nikhil Mehrotra. And there you can see Sudarshan formation comprising one Chinook and two Mi-17 helicopters. 1932 से लेकर आज तक भारतीय वायुसेना ने जाने कितने सोपान चढ़े और प्रगति की राह पर आगे बढ़ते हुए विश्व की सर्वश्रेष्ठ वायुसेनाओं में से एक है। सुदर्शन फॉर्मेशन led by Group Captain Siddharth Rawat. State-of-the-art precision attack helicopter Apache in the Indian Air Force has provided the Indian Armed Forces a significant edge over the enemy on the battlefield. And you can see Rakshak formation from the Rashtrapati Bhavan side consisting of one Mi-35 attack helicopter flanked by four Apache helicopters flying in big formation. Formation led by Group Captain Rajshekar Reddy. The other members of the formation, Group Captain Indupit Singh, Wing Commander Praveen Saraki, Wing Commander Anand Kumar